Welcome back to yet another episode of Learn Effective Communication series. In this episode, we will learn a simple truth about being an effective communicator. So, let's start.
Confidence point.
To me, a good communicator is not someone who is always polished and never uses fillers like everyone uses fillers, even I do sometimes. In my opinion, effective communication is not about being fluent or being perfect. But then the question is, what is it about? Well, to know that, let me give you an example. Let's assume you are staying out of your hometown for studies purpose. One day, when you are returning from your school, you fall from your bicycle and your knee gets injured. Well, it's not a major injury, but you get a slight scratch on your knee. So you get up and go to your room, and after going to your room, you apply first aid and treat your knee by yourself because it is not a major injury. Now you have treated your wound perfectly, but still it's itching and giving you a slight pain. Now at that time, your mom calls you and asks you, "How are you, beta?" Now you don't want to make your mom worried about yourself, so you tell her, "Yeah, I'm absolutely fine." But still, you can notice she will be able to find out that there is something wrong in your voice, and she will ask you, "What happened at school? Tell me." And you would be wondering, how did she found out that there is something wrong? Well, she figured it out from your voice. How? Because she knows you from your birth. But the point that I want to derive from this entire example is that mean what you say. A simple truth about all the effective communicators in the world is that they mean what they say, or they know what they say. To me, being a good speaker means looking like you mean what you say, and in today's digital world, sounding like you mean what you say. This principle is true at every place and in every form of communication, no matter whether it is a one-on-one conversation, a meeting at your work or at your school, a large presentation, no matter whatever the place or the form of conversation is, this principle remains true. Let's take an example. You want to develop good relations with your boss in order to get a promotion. So one day you and your boss are engaged in a random conversation. At that time, your boss tells you that he is a die-hard fan of Mumbai Indians. Now, just because you want to establish good relations with him, you also tell him that even you are a great fan of Mumbai Indians. He asks you, "Oh really?" And then he starts talking about Mumbai Indians. Then he asks you for your opinions on the team as well. Now, eventually in this conversation, he is going to find out that you do not mean what you say, or you are not the actual fan of Mumbai Indians. Even in that conversation, he is not able to find out, then after a few days or gradually someday, he is going to find it out. And at that time, you will end up feeling very embarrassed and creating a very bad impression of yourself. This thing is true for public speaking as well. Once I was attending an event where a radio jockey, RJ, was invited as a guest. At that event, he was talking about reducing the use of plastic or not to use plastic bags and plastic bottles. At that time, a person from the audience stood up and told that few days back he was traveling in a bus with that RJ, and at that time he saw him drinking water from the plastic bottle, and not only that, he threw that plastic bottle out of the window. At that time, that RJ was literally speechless for 2 minutes on the stage, and after that, he just quit and went away. Can you imagine how much embarrassing is that for a speaker? So the principle remains same everywhere. Mean what you say. In order to become a good speaker, you need to be at ease and be natural. You need to be connected with yourself and connected to the people you are talking to. So, in order to stay truly connected with yourself, you need to mean what you say. So the thing that we learned in today's episode was mean what you say. I'll come up with a new episode very soon. Till then, stay confident, stay happy.